February 3rd, 2020. Got most of the cleanup done. Got stuck a number of times because I don't have chains in the tractor. Kind of a pain in the butt. It is what it is. Got it cleaned up. It's windy, it's cold. We haven't had any sun today. It snowed on and off all night. Not heavily, but flurries. And during cleanup, apparently, I severed the Ethernet cable that runs out to the greenhouse for remote control and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, so I'm happy about that. Great. I guess the question you got to ask yourself is, what do you do when life throws challenges at you? What do you do when something tries to get you down? Do you stand down and let it win? Or do you stand up and kick its ass? You stand up and kick its ass. So I reprogrammed this whole Linksys WRT 54G router in repeater bridge mode. I'm going to put that in the barn and hope that it works. If it doesn't, I'll run extension cords and whatever I need to get positioning correctly so I can relay internet and network connection to the greenhouse for now. Because obviously I can't dig through a snowbank and lay new cable. And I don't have any more outdoor cable. So, that's it. While I do that, I gotta feed chickens, I gotta stoke up the greenhouse, and I got about 50 other things to do. Let's see how we make out. Alright, Wi-Fi router is mounted in the barn. Came out here and set it up. And guess what? Yeah, that's right. We got internet back online. I started programming that router at 3:30. It's now 4:30. Wireless internet being ported to the greenhouse to replace the screwed up Ethernet cable. Yo folks, farm don't mess around! Remember, keep your farmers close, keep your friends close, and your farmers closer. Peace!